Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Deep Space. My name is Ben. I'm a licensed clinical professional counselor, and today I have a very special guest with me. This is my oldest. This is Noelle. This one right here. Didn't make a video of it, but this one came while I was gone. Sorry it's been so long since we made videos. We've been having babies and shaving beards. I know it looks really different, but today we have something really exciting for you. We are really excited about it. We are going to unbox one of my Christmas presents. Probably my favorite Christmas present, I hope. We'll see. We're gonna unbox this guy, which is going to be a moon pod. So we found out about moon pod from a Kickstarter, and this guy is supposed to be helpful with anxiety. So we thought we would give it a shot, try it out. We know about anxiety in our house. It's something we're familiar with. Imagine some of you are too. Mm-hmm. So we thought we would try it and see if it's helpful and give you a little bit of a review, and hopefully if it's something that will be helpful for us, that it could be helpful for you too. So you ready to open it? Mm-hmm. Let's do it. Okay, let's open it. All right, so this thing comes in a big box. Ooh, I think that's it. I see it. So, first impressions are that it's big. It's got some weight to it.
Oh, wow.
That feels interesting. I think we should put the bag on it. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I kind of want it to be the full experience. We did it. We got it all put together. So that was actually a little bit tricky to get into the, what would you call that? The shell. A little bit of a challenge, but it wasn't too bad. I think once we get it in there, we won't have to do that again. So that'll be nice. I think that's cool that you can take that off to wash it and stuff. So anyway, so the moon pod is marketed as a relief for anxiety from a sensory perspective. So it mimics weightlessness is how it's marketed. So it's supposed to give you the sensation of floating, which I think can be a relief just for your overall, the anxiety that you feel in your body. It can be something that can help that to sort of melt away by floating. That's what we're hoping for. So we have got it all put together. It does feel really cool. We're excited to try it out. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go first. I'm gonna sit on it. There's a couple of different positions. We're gonna try just laying it down and laying on it flat. I think that's gonna be the one that works best in the studio space that we have. We'll see what it feels like. So yay, here we go. Moon pod launch. We're ready to roll. Ready to try it for the first time. I'm gonna lay on this thing and see if I start going weightless, as they say. So here we go. Ready? Oh. Wow. That doesn't feel like a normal beanbag. It feels like it holds me a lot tighter. And I'm just sitting. I was gonna lay all the way down, but I just sat on it and it cushioned me like this. It really does feel like it forms on my booty and holds me up as in a way different than a beanbag would. So let's try laying on it now. Wow. So the weightlessness effect, I feel that. Like I said, it doesn't feel like a normal beanbag. It doesn't just feel like you're flopping on one of those big beanbag chairs, you know, that some of our friends have. It really does feel like it's much more firm than that. Yeah, kind of more like a mix between a beanbag and memory foam, but in a way that it really feels like it's just cushioning me here. I'm 6'2", and it goes from about my head to there seems like there's plenty of room. I sit back a little bit. Yeah, that feels really cool. I like it. It'll be interesting to see if that has an effect on anxiety, but I want you to try it. You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Whoa, oh my gosh. That is so weird. I was not expecting that. Wow. That feels really nice. I feel like I could just nap on it. Ah!
Try laying on it for a second. And just stay there for a second.
I I feel really relaxed on it. Like, if I just had like a book, I could just fall asleep.
Fall asleep with your book.
Mhm.
Yeah, that feels really cool. So what's your initial thoughts on it? As cool as you hoped it would be?
Yep. It's a little bit better. I just didn't know what to expect that much.
Yeah, me either. So Noelle is trying out the reclining position as well, which what do you think of that?
It feels really nice. It feels like nice and sturdy, and you can just like...
Sturdy is a good word for it. I think it's going to be a really cool addition as a piece of furniture. As an anxiety help, I think we're going to have to wait and see. We have to spend some significant time to see if it really does calm our nervous systems in the way that we hope that it will. But that'll take a little bit of time that we probably won't have time for in this video. But so jury's out on that. Overall, what's your thoughts? What do you think?
It's just amazing, and I feel like I can just like fall asleep. Like this could be my bed, and I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, it seems like it would be pretty great for that. I really like it too. 2 thumbs up. Again, I think definitely awesome as a piece of like furniture to watch a movie, read a book, hang out. I think it's a 10 out of 10 for that. As far as anxiety goes, we'll just have to wait and see. I'd say maybe an incomplete for that. We'll see. We'll give it a little bit of time, spend some extended time on it, maybe do another video, maybe not. Overall, I think it's a win. I would give it an A, solid A, maybe A+. What do you think?
Agreed.
Agreed? Awesome. So check out the Moon Pod. See what you guys think of it. Let us know what you think as well. We're excited to see where it takes us, especially when it comes to helping with anxiety, because that's the thing that we always would like some help with. So thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. If you've watched this far, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos if we ever get a chance to getting around and making them. But we love you guys. We're really happy to be in this with you. We hope the Moon Pod can be a part of the journey for you, and we hope it's going to be a really cool part of the journey for us. So thanks for being with us. We love you. Bye, guys. Thanks for helping me. You're awesome.
I feel bad.
No, it's okay. It does hurt, but not that bad.
You can see the like.